the last video, we saw the food sources from animals. Now, in this video, we will see what do animals eat. As we have learned what we eat, let's learn about what animals eat. We eat the food sources from plants and from animals. According to what animals eat, we have three classifications. Let's see the three classifications. The first one is herbivores, second one is carnivores, third one is omnivores. Let's see them one by one in detail. Let's see herbivores first. So herbivores are animals which only eat plants or grass as their food. Herbi means plants and vor means eater. So let's study their special characteristics. We have cow as an example. We have deer, we have sheep. We also have goat as an example, giraffe and elephant as well. And we have many animals which are herbivores. Even the humans, some of the humans are vegetarian as well. The first characteristic that herbivores have is their wide and broad teeth. So most herbivores have wide and broad teeth to pull the grass from the ground. Okay. This is the teeth of a horse. As you can see, they are wide and broad. Okay, I'll just show you. So see these teeth. They are wide and broad. This helps them to chew the food and to pull the grass from the ground. The main purpose is to pull the grass from the ground. Let's see the next characteristic. The next one is rumination. Let's see what is that. Most herbivores like cow and goat bring back the previously swallowed food for re-chewing it again. This helps to absorb most of the nutrients from the hard to digest plant food such as grass. Okay, so what they do, I'll tell it. So first they eat some grass or plant, then they just directly swallow it, little they chew and they swallow it. Then after a while, they bring back the swallowed food back into their mouth to re-chew it again. And what it does is, it helps to absorb the nutrients from the hard to digest food such as grass. This is the second characteristic. The third characteristic, let's see. It is the sharp teeth of some herbivores. So herbivores like squirrels have sharp teeth for gnawing seeds and nuts. See the sharp teeth of a squirrel? This helps them to gnaw a seed and nut. These teeth. Okay. Let's see the next one. The next is butterflies. It is not a characteristic. Let's see the characteristic of a butterfly. So butterflies don't have to worry about their teeth. Why? Because they directly suck nectar from flowers. See this butterfly sucking nectar from flowers from here. It doesn't need teeth for that purpose. Now let's see the carnivores, the next category. These animals only eat flesh of other animals. They only eat meat. We have tiger as an example, we have frog, we have lions, cheetahs, some birds like eagles as well. Let's see their characteristics. First one is sharp teeth. So these animals have sharp teeth called canines. So what are these sharp teeth called? Canines, to tear flesh. As you can see these sharp teeth. Okay. Mark it out for you. These are called as canines and these help them to tear the flesh easily. Next one is the sharp claws. So these animals have sharp claws to tear flesh. Okay, to tear flesh and also to get a grip over that animal which they are eating and to catch other animals. See these sharp claws as you can see in this particular image, as you can see the sharp claws are present. Next we have sticky tongue of a frog. So frogs and chameleons have sticky tongue, okay, to catch insects. See the frog catching an insect, it has a sticky and a long tongue to catch an insect. Okay, this tongue to catch an insect. Why long? Because it can catch far away insects. And why sticky? So that it can catch the insect. Then the fourth one is the sharp beak for carnivorous birds. So carnivorous birds such as eagles have sharp beaks to tear flesh. Even we have birds such as vulture, but they fall into one special classification. You can see that also. See the beak of a eagle, it is curved and it is sharp to catch hold and to tear the flesh. It eats mice, mostly mice and some snakes. Okay. Then the next category is omnivores. So these animals can eat both plants and animals. So examples are human being, crow and bear. There are many more examples, but these are the common examples. Let's see the special characteristics. First one is the good set of teeth. There are not many. The first, this is the main one. These animals have a well set of developed teeth so that they can eat any type of food. They include incisors to cut food, canines to tear the flesh, molars to grind food, premolars to crush food. Then we have two more special classifications which are not written there, but let's view it as well. The fourth one is scavengers. So instead of hunting live animals, these animals eat the flesh of other dead animals. Okay, so they clean the planet. So what they do is, example is fox and vulture. So what they do is, these animals eat the flesh of these animals eat the flesh of the other animal who have left the flesh. Okay, for example, a tiger attacks a deer. The tiger did not eat the full deer. Some part is left, some flesh is left. So that these animals like fox and vulture eat those leftover part. Then we have decomposers. These organisms degrade dead plants and animals, hence cleaning the planet. Now we saw that vulture and fox, they will eat the leftover flesh, but the bones still remain there, right? These decomposers like the bacteria or the fungus or the fungi, they are one-celled or unicellular organisms, okay? They feed on it. They feed on the bones. They are very, very small. You cannot see it with the naked eye. You need a microscope to see it. This is the bacteria. Thank you. Thank you everybody. This is the end of the chapter. Thank you for your support.